welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can screen record in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to screen record, then this video is for you. So guys, let's get into the video without any delays. So guys, first of all, go ahead and just open the video or whatever that you want to screen record, and once you're there, just go ahead and press these 3 buttons. So guys, make sure you listen very carefully. Just go ahead and press Shift, Command, and the number 5. If you press them all at once, you'll see this option right here. So guys, once you're here, just go ahead and choose what you want to record. Like, you can either record entire screen, selected window. As you can see, it says capture right here because I am recording. So you just need to go ahead and tap here. So instead of stop recording that you can see in my desktop, you'll see record. And you just need to press there and it will start screen recording. So guys, that's how you screen record in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.